Hi Tracy, hopefully this will help. I am at home, so sorry the microphone sound quality is not that great. But I want to do this tutorial on the centering so it'll help you, maybe help some other people. If what I show you is not happening on your screen, that means something's wrong and definitely want to schedule a screen share with support. So I've set up a VisionArt album. I go into my settings. I've set the cut line to 0.25, safe zone to 1/2 inch. Auto design buffer will kind of auto take care of itself. You want it just slightly bigger than the safe zone. If you started off by choosing VisionArt, this will kind of take care of itself. So one thing to notice is when you click on one photo or a group of photos, you can move the drop zone around, and you'll notice that the guides will just snap to the center here, and by default this center line here will be the distance between the middle of the page and the inside edge of the red cut zone, so that after the album is cut by the book manufacturer, in this case VisionArt, it will be approximately centered. And you'll see on VisionArt's website that they can't guarantee quite how big it will be cut. So you want to do just basic best case scenarios. Now, one thing that if for example, it would be possible that if you're having trouble, if you have the drop zone and the edge of the drop zone is over the center line, and you choose to center the drop zone, it will center between the edge of this image and the edge of the inside edge of that cut zone, because we assume that you would want to center in available space. It's easy to overcome that simply by getting this edge of the drop zone inside the center. And if you're using the centering tools, these black boxes mean centering of the drop zone itself. And one thing you can do, which some people choose to do, is you can align the photos within the drop zone itself, and so you can see it will move left and right there. But most of the time, for example, let's say this is moved over a little bit and I choose to center the drop zone, it will center in the space between the edge of the photo and the inside of that red zone, meaning that that will be cut, and what's left will closely match the distance between these two edges and the distance between these two edges. So that's kind of the goal there. And again, if the drop zone goes over the edge of this photo just like this and you choose centering, then you might if you choose centering over here, you might not get what you want. So just make sure the inside edges of the drop zone are kind of roughly where you want it to be, and then when you choose centering, it will nudge into place. Now, if you're unsure if centering is working, an easy way to do that, let me move this over here. Let me go ahead and center this. If you're unsure if center is doing anything, you can always grab a drop zone, move it to the far corner, and then go ahead and choose the centering, and you'll see it snap into place. Now, again, if you're not seeing any of the movements like this, or it's not working how you see me using it, something strange is going on, and you'll want to set up a screen share with the support team so they can take care of the issue for you. I hope that helps.